Best tonneau covers protect Dodge Ram truck beds from weather, theft, and damage while improving fuel efficiency, security, and cargo organization. My today's video is about top 5 best tonneau covers for Dodge Ram owners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Most Plus 5.5-foot truck bed tonneau cover. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5.5-foot short bed, this roll-up tonneau cover delivers an excellent balance of durability, convenience, and weather protection. The no-drill installation process is simple and beginner-friendly, thanks to the included side rails, secure clamps, weather stripping, and detailed instruction manual. Its patented design ensures a snug fit while maintaining a sleek appearance on the truck bed. Constructed with a tough vinyl tarp and reinforced aluminum frame, the cover feels sturdy enough for daily use while remaining lightweight and easy to roll up when full bed access is needed. The waterproof and UV-resistant material helps keep cargo dry and protected from harsh weather conditions, making it ideal for work equipment, tools, or travel gear. An added built-in LED light is a practical bonus for nighttime visibility. Overall, this tonneau cover is a reliable and affordable upgrade that enhances both the functionality and style of any Ford F-150. Now our second product is AutoSaver 88 Soft Quad-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The AutoSaver 88 Soft Quad-Fold Tonneau Cover is an impressive upgrade for 2009 to 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 owners looking for reliable cargo protection and modern styling. Designed specifically for 5.7-foot beds without ram box, split tailgate, or bed track systems, it delivers a secure custom fit that enhances both appearance and practicality. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the no-drill bolt-on design. With included mounting hardware and clear instructions, most users can complete setup quickly without professional help. The quad-fold configuration also offers greater flexibility than traditional tri-fold covers, allowing easier access to larger cargo when needed. What truly stands out is the upgraded buckle and clamp system. The reinforced aluminum safety wire, spring latch structure, and adhesive-coated bolts create a more secure and durable locking mechanism for daily driving. The UV and cold-resistant PVC material performs well in harsh weather while maintaining a sleek, low-profile look. Overall, this tonneau cover combines durability, convenience, and style at an excellent value for Dodge Ram owners. Our third product is Tonneau Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tonneau Hardshell Tonneau Cover is a premium upgrade for 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 owners with a 5 feet 5 inches bed who want durability, security, and sleek styling in one package. Built with a powder-coated matte black aluminum frame and hinges, the cover feels exceptionally solid while maintaining a modern low-profile appearance that complements the truck perfectly. Its standout feature is the EnduraShield automotive-grade polymer panels, which resist dents, scratches, and fading far better than many standard covers. Even in hot weather, the panels remain cool to the touch, making daily use more comfortable. The Extreme Weather Seal also performs impressively, helping keep rain, dust, and debris out of the truck bed. Operation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the secure folding clamp system. Whether folding it back for partial access or removing it entirely, the process takes only seconds without tools or drilling. The jaw grip clamps provide a secure fit while still allowing easy removal when full bed access is required. Overall, this cover delivers premium protection, convenience, and long-lasting quality. Now number 4, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed for 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500 models with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, this Tiger roll-up tonneau cover delivers an impressive mix of durability, functionality, and sleek styling. Its U.S. patented design uses heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl with dual coating, giving the cover excellent resistance against rain, dust, UV rays, and daily wear. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide strong support when the cover is closed while still allowing the tarp to roll up smoothly for full bed access. The aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps add to the premium feel and ensure a secure installation. The Velcro side seals and tailgate latch system create a tight fit, while the adjustable tension system helps keep the vinyl wrinkle-free in changing weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with no drilling required for most setups, though trucks with over-the-bed rail liners may need minor modifications. Backed by a solid 5-year warranty, this tonneau cover offers excellent long-term value for Ram owners seeking reliable cargo protection and a clean, low-profile appearance. And our last choice is Synthesy Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This trifold tonneau cover is an excellent upgrade for Dodge Ram owners seeking dependable cargo protection with a clean, factory-style appearance. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500, 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic, and 2019 to 2026 new body models with a 5.7-foot bed, it delivers a precise fit that enhances both functionality and style. The double-layer PVC construction feels durable and built to handle harsh weather conditions, including intense sun, rain, dust, and snow. Its strong tensile strength, combined with powder-coated rails and sturdy aluminum clamps, provides solid stability even during long highway drives. The trifold design also makes accessing cargo quick and convenient while maintaining reliable protection when closed and locked with the tailgate. Installation is one of its strongest advantages. The no-drill setup is fast and beginner-friendly, requiring only a few minutes to secure properly. Once installed, the sleek low-profile design gives the truck a more refined and modern look. Overall, this tonneau cover offers an excellent balance of durability, security, convenience, and value for everyday truck owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.